Right, what's up, traders? Welcome. I'm back on the desk. But yeah, we're going to start off with my daily review. But before we get into that, I want to speak about the trades that I took today, how I'm managing my different accounts. This live stream daily review is sponsored by Edgefill, so go check them out. The link is in my bio as well. So we'll plug Edgefill as always to speak about a couple of stats that I used to actually take this trade. And how I like using their reports. Okay, and that's the first one. And then the second plug is come watch me trade live every single week. I'm trading tomorrow. Remember, this is a short week, but I am trading tomorrow live on ASFX TV. Right, 75% off. Link is in my bio, and we come trade with me, Austin, and Ev, and the whole team over at ASFX TV. So make sure to check those two links out in my bio. Right, Edgefill and ASFX TV, right? So let's get into it. So just two positions today. A loss on my funded account that I've just got, my FTMO account. You guys have seen me posting about that, and I actually will just bring that up as well. So you guys have just seen me posting quite a bit about that. I got my live login credentials, so I just went ahead and started trading it already. But as you can see, I got my live login credentials already for my FTMO account, and I've started to trade that. So let's get right into it. So I took a loss on that today. I'm down 0.3%, $250 or $150, sorry, on a 50K account. Looking to get back to max capital with them. That's going to be my plan going into 2025 is to get back to max capital with them, with FTMO. I think they are one of the better firms in the industry, but I took this Tesla longs. I did like the longs as we were respecting previous days lows, right, in the pre-market, and then above that opening range high. I like the longs. We just did not get any follow through, and I had to get off the desk, and I went back, and we actually ended up getting tapped out for a loss. So there's my loss on Tesla on my funded account today. If we come here to my notebook section, you see across all my accounts, I'm at funded and challenge. I'm up 1,200 though. I've got some other funded accounts and some challenge accounts that I'm working on. And you guys follow me on YouTube as well. I will also plug that there. That's where you guys can get my live recaps of everything. I'm actually going to make a video on how I pass my FTMO accounts now. But perfect. So let's go to my second trade, and that was a winner on the NASDAQ. I just kind of held this through the whole day and ended up actually adding in over here as we hold the opening range low and daily VWAP. But as you can see, I got my longs from the respect of the previous day's low zone into the open, which is 4:30 South African time. I like the hold of that previous day's low, and I'm looking for long in continuations. Let's go down to my favorite time frame for entries, the 5-minute time frame. So that was my trade on the NASDAQ, and that I took on some other funded accounts as well as some challenge accounts. So that was my day today. Pretty slow. Not expecting any much movement. It is a slower trading week, of course, with the Thursday being off. So don't expect massive movements the rest of the week. Keep it tidy. Don't give away silly profits unnecessarily. Yeah, that was my trading day. So down on that brand new funded account that I got with FTMO, looking to get I'm up on some other funded accounts and some personal accounts, but looking to get some more accounts over the line as well. Again, I will plug this again. We'll go over some Edgefill statistics, but the stream is sponsored by Edgefill, but I am trading live on ASFX TV tomorrow. 75% off with the code Friday. So make sure to check it in my link in my bio, right? So let's go, and you also can get a free trial on that as well. Let's go to some of my favorite reports here with Edgefill. So if we go over let's go over some stocks. Let's just have a look. There's some flipping easy stock plays that I'm actually pretty pissed off with myself that I missed. I missed some Apple longs, pretty easy longs above previous days high. So let's just go to that. That was, as mentioned, I missed this. But this is kind of like where I was looking to get in. But let's just go over some reports here with Edgefill just on Apple. Let's go. Okay, Apple. Let's go year to date. Let's go favorites and then previous day's range. Already knows it's my favorite. By custom, look at that. If we take our previous day's highs on Apple, 82% of the time we actually close as a bullish closing day, right? And then we can look by weekday. On a Tuesday, that bumps up to 95% of the time. So I probably should have stuck to Apple today. I didn't, so pretty shit. Also, Tesla, we didn't actually break previous days high. We were expecting previous days low, so just not my best setup. Was one of my best setups, but I should be more focused on Apple as we hold previous days highs. Yeah, look at that. Look at Apple as we hold previous days highs. Compare and if you look at Amazon, right? Look at Amazon, how we hold previous days highs as well. You guys will know that from my live streams and that I love to use previous days highs and lows in terms of the areas to look into, and then also do like using that opening range. But previous days highs and lows is something that I love to use. Look at actually Amazon. We get that 5-minute orb on just something very interesting, and it's pretty irritating. But you can't take on even on my personal accounts and on the FTMO where you can actually trade stocks. You can't actually take trades within the first 10 minutes of the open, so you can only actually get in over here, right, after the first 2 5-minute bars. And sometimes you get some nice opening range breakouts in the first 5 minutes. So that is something just to keep in mind. But I mean, look at that. We clean above previous days highs and ADR highs. That's the red and green lines, the ADR lows and ADR highs. I should have been looking for longs in here rest of the day. That was pretty easy play. So down on that FTMO account, nothing too major, $150 on the 50K account. Even less, actually. I think it was like 145. So we'll be back. But a solid day on the rest of the funded accounts and the rest of the challenge accounts and personal. So a pretty solid day at the start of Tuesday. We're going to end off the month. I'm still down on the month, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, I hope today you got some value from the trades that I took, mistakes that I made using previous days highs and lows. And we'll see you guys then for the next daily review. I'm actually traveling again tomorrow, but I'm going to have my laptop out and ready to go. And yeah, catch me live on ASFX TV as mentioned. We have a 75% sale running at the moment. And then go check HFL out. Always appreciate the, them making it so easy for us to actually make money trading in terms of doing the back testing and that. I mean, these stats, you know how long this would take me, who's not the best at this type of stuff, to actually go and get it done, right? So, yeah. But yeah, see Austin's in the chat. Yeah, so up on some challenge and funded accounts, down on one funded account. I'm mainly treating the FTMO accounts to trade stocks. It's what's been actually working for me quite nicely. You guys saw me pass those accounts. I had a nice tested trade actually on Friday to get that over the line. And look what was actually interesting from that Friday trade that, as mentioned, I took. We were, sorry, let's go to Tesla, not Apple. Let's go over here. Right over here on Friday. Look how we clear previous day's highs, which is that white dotted line, and then reach to that zone. So very, very nice trading on that on Friday. That was just holding opening range highs as well, clears previous day's highs, and I really, really like that. So yeah, just keep in mind that not every single day is going to be, and I had this question actually today, and we can actually speak about it, but not every single day is going to be perfect and brilliant. Sometimes you just got to take what you can get. Lick your wounds sometimes, minimize the damage. Jared Tender, work on your C game. And I'll take that. A 0.3% loss today on a day that was turn around on me. I'll take that, right? So yeah, okay, cool guys. So as mentioned, that was my trading day. Loss on test on one of my funded accounts, and then the rest of my funded and personal and challenge. Win on the NASDAQ to the high side. So come watch me trade live tomorrow on ASFX TV. As mentioned again, 75% off. We don't do this often. So use the code Friday for a sale. Right. Obviously, always will check you further for my daily reviews. But that's it for today. I hope that you guys enjoy, and we will see you for the next one. Cheers, everyone.